So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Techie Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Ask Gemini on Chrome to find fitness routines based on your goals. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here click on Ask Gemini. Now here type, I want to shred belly fat and gain muscles. Currently my weight is 75 kg. I am a vegetarian. And I go to gym 5 to 6 times a week. So find me fitness routine that works best for me. So see, it gave me a complete fitness routine. First, the workout routine. Monday, Thursday, push workout, chest, shoulders and triceps. Tuesday, Friday, pull, which includes back, biceps and heel delts. Wednesday and Saturday, legs and abs. And on Sunday, rest and active recovery. Next, vegetarian nutrition. So it gave me best protein sources, which is dairy, soy, legumes and grains. And next, it gave me a meal plan, which includes breakfast, lunch, pre-workout, post-workout and dinner. So this you can use Gemini and Chrome to find fitness routines based on your goals. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.